Give it to me. Imagine a bald eagle soaring over the top of you.
Imagine it hacking your eyes out.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Where art thou? Stop your fucking bitching.
Who the howdy with the body making feeling all naughty?
We're daredevils. You're going so slow though. Not all of us can be born with ninja-like abilities. Look at how freaking high the goddamn roof is. So nice, so good. So Ben's looking for a new profile pic.
I'm looking for a girlfriend.
Looking for a girlfriend.
It's gonna be hard.
I want her to touch my chest.
Alright, I don't think I'll go any higher.
Yeah, I think you got it good, man. With that fork, that little fork there looks good.
Looks fucking awesome.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Sweet though. Just imagine the majesty. It is really nice here. Far out. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, how are you going to get down?
Just gonna reverse it.
You do have a foothold to your left, on the left of the tree, if you can get that far with those.
Nah, shush, just let him do it.
Yep. just trying to help you there.
If something bad happens, I can send it to Funniest Home Videos. Because that exists still, right?
I think it's called YouTube now.
Oh, that's alright. Come on, Ben, I need these views.
Yeah, mate.
Stack it.
We want Google ads.
Slippery. Slippery than you.
It is a slippery gypsy.
Oh, you should have hung upside down off, like hugged it and hung upside down.
Yeah.
Like a full-on koala bear.
I know you want to have a go, Sean.
I think even if I fall, I'm gonna
Tarzan it. No, you got to go off the rail.
Yeah. Gotta climb up a bit higher.
Oh, that's fucking scary.
Pretty sweet.
That is really scary, eh? Oh god, that's so scary! And it's hard too, I'm not strong enough. Oh, alright, fucking hell.
There you go, Tarzan.
Oh!
Awesome.
That was nice. Lovely.
Kinda hurt.
Not enough fresh air in the world, man. To mask that.
Look at her, walking majestically.
You know, one day I'm going to just like sneak that anti-gas pills into your food. You're gonna think you're broken. You're gonna be like, what's wrong with me? Whoa! Fuck me. God, I thought something jumped out of the tree. Whew. Can you hear? Yeah, can you hear the guys?
Beautiful. Isn't she beautiful?
She sure is.
I mean, it's hot.
What?
Trini, I'm gonna jump on you like Spider Monkey.
Okay.
You get out of the way and then I'll eat shit.
on you like a spider monkey.
Hello. Hello. Frank Walker from National Tiles. Guess what, cunt? We're having a sale on tiles.
I've never been here before.
It gets better.
I haven't.
It's fucking cold when you guys hop in.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a rock there. That is my bum.
As I shampoo my hair, I really love new decor. I love the feeling, nothing can beat it. Oh, now, yes, I really love it. So does the family. Come on, new decor. See, yeah. New decor, the family shampoo.
Yeah, don't worry so much. Just give the water a touch. Nobody has to know. And if the time is right, just let your mind ignite. Nobody has to know that you dipped a toe. Dip the toe.
Oh, God.
Dip the toe.
Oh, yes.
No reason to hide. Get all the way inside. I'ma take you for a ride.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's some chill. It's so cold. Oh. Wow, that was a ball. Parts of my body that are cold now.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
Get on the waterfall. Hold on, ready? Whoa, that's deep. It is. You just gotta go for it, man. Ooh! Stop it! Stop it! Hey, do that! Operation Get Behind the Duckies! it is. Little lookout. You reckon up here? Yeah, we can do this. He's got droplets on the lens. What it is? Not really.
Probably not you.
Should have brought the selfie stick up here. So shallow down there. We need to find a cliff we can jump off.
I don't know. I think a lot of these aren't going to be deep enough.
Nah, Chris reckons there's one 20 minutes down the road. Yeah. He's not even. Oh, tadpole!
Oh man, I have no idea. All goes and then you were like,
Speed stretches falling rain. Scanlines on the window pane. It blurs until I'm blind. Can't see the other side. Took the long way home through November's undertow. Sharp eyes sifting through to find moments rare and purified.
I need to
Just decide when to
Can you
fart.
hold it
Yeah.
until the right time?
Yeah, a little bit.
Get another shot.
Oh,
I
I can control it. So a lot of people still do.
You got your
public.
bloody ugly brother in the background ruining every shot.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that photo bomb. That'll look good because it'll blur him, but it'll still look funny.
Fucking Magnum in the back.
You just stare at the back of your head like Magnum, dickhead.
Beautiful.
They're pretty they're pretty calm sort of. Clean, aren't they?
So natural.
It feels so weird.
That's so cool, man.
Dad, you take really good picture.
Hey May, check this out.
Take all the credit.
Alright, now don't eat this one.
I try not to.
Oh, I
But I
feel so
can't help
weird.
it.
He's doing it to me
Dude,
too.
that's
isn't he?
fucking sick shot. You gotta send that to
So it's
me.
biting you.
That's quality.
He's just nibbling at me. It's just they don't
Like a
have.
small fish,
I've
it's like
done
you go in
research.
Thailand and
Oh,
get the
I've
fish
been
spot.
reading
Yeah,
about
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Really the best profile photo they say, statistically.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
It's what works.
You might as well.
If you're a faggot.
Oh, I got two eating.
You're a big
It's just
homo.
Is it the same
Fuck
fish
success.
It's,
that eats your dad's skin?
No.
these are
But they do the same.
These are tadpoles. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh.
Hey, why are you not eating Chinese? Chinese delicious.
Oh, because they'll be hungry again in an hour. That's why.
Shall I give you my number, Dan? You can
Too
send
much
it to me.
MSG.
Cool. I'm your first match. Oh, there's two of them on me.
Look me up.
his number anyway.
So I took everyone the wrong way. That does not head back to the exit.
Oh, yeah.
Products again? Whoa, fucking Jesus.
Ah! Oh, someone's getting a free ride.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a couple minutes away. Beautiful.
Vince, you want to get on my shoulders?
Oh yeah, man. Thought you'd never ask. I'm waiting for that. Whoa!
Whoa, hope my teacher's gonna grab an apple.
Oh.
Oh god. It's so uncomfortable. Thank my bones. Oh.
Pump it.
What a mess.
Oh god, it actually really hurts.
Fucking feral brother.
Oh.
Shut up, Dad.
I'm the backwards man, I can walk back as fast as you can. I can walk back as fast as you can. I can walk back as fast as you can. Stop!
Vince is dead.
Just joking.
Just kidding. Sticky fingers, bro. Sticky fingers.
Australia Street.
Open up the
Ocean, jump on in. Masters of the coastlines beckoning. A